Real Madrid's attacking trio of Cristiano Ronaldo, Gareth Bale and Karim Benzema all trained on the eve of Sunday's home clash with Deportivo La Coruña. Real need all the firepower they can get right now, having only scored once in their last 2 matches. They are also winless in 3 La Liga games. But Zinedine Zidane has dismissed any suggestion that Real's stuttering form could lead to him stepping down as coach. Declaring, "I'll never throw in the towel." Cristiano Ronaldo smiled as he cut a relaxed figure during Real Madrid training on Saturday. Gareth Bale also trained on the eve of Real's La Liga home match against Deportivo La Coruña. Zinedine Zidane, right, said that Ronaldo, Bale and Karim Benzema, left, will all be with us. Since claiming a club record 5th trophy of 2017 at the FIFA Club World Cup in December, Madrid's season has threatened to come apart at the seams. A 3-0 home mauling at the hands of Barcelona followed by a string of mediocre performances and results has sunk Madrid's title defense and seen them make heavy weather of progressing in the Copa del Rey. With a Champions League last 16 showdown against rampant PSG fast approaching, Madrid need to rediscover last year's form quickly or risk seeing their European title defense come to an end as well. Zidane, though, insists he is up for the fight. Asked if he had considered quitting, the Frenchman told a press conference, "I don't think about negative things, only positive. We will find positive things. I'm never going to throw in the towel. I'm going to continue fighting as I've always shown and I'm not going to quit ever." One positive for Zidane is the chance to finally be able to field his all-star forward line of Ronaldo, Bale and Benzema against Deportivo. The much-vaunted BBC strike force have rarely been available at the same time over the last 10 months due to injuries and suspension. But they could be unleashed against Depor. Real coach Zidane also rejected claims he could resign, saying, "I'll never throw in the towel." Bale will be hoping to make just his 7th La Liga start of the season when Depor visit Madrid. Meanwhile, Ronaldo will be keen to add to his modest tally of 4 La Liga goals this season. The 3 of them are going to be with us. But I'm not going to say who will play. I'm very happy to be able to count on these 3 great players. They offer a lot to the team, said Zidane. Zidane, meanwhile, played down media speculation linking Madrid with another of the game's top forwards, PSG ace Neymar. He said of the world's most expensive player, "I won't speak about players who aren't mine. The whole footballing world likes Neymar. He's a great player." Depor head to the Bernabeu fighting for survival at the bottom of La Liga. 3 defeats in their last 4 games has left them 18th, 2 points adrift of safety. And coach Cristobal Parallo admits it may not be easy for them to arrest that form at the Bernabeu this weekend. He told a press conference, "Playing against Madrid is never good for any side. They are one of the best teams. It's a wounded Madrid who are going to want to make their fans happy and make up for recent results. And I'm convinced that they are going to be even more difficult. I'm expecting a very motivated Madrid who have been hurt by all the things that are being said about them, but who are full of great players and who have won many things. On having Bale, Benzema and Ronaldo available to face Deportivo." Zidane told reporters, "I'm very happy to be able to count on these 3 great players, they offer a lot to the team." Benzema displayed his strength and competitive edge as he held off teammate Luka Modric.